How to apply for a Tesco Clubcard. So what you want to do first is load up your browser on your phone, and now just Google search for register Tesco Clubcard. You want to select the first link that pops up here that says join Clubcard/register. I'll just accept the cookies, and this is what it's going to look like. So it's going to ask you for your email address and password, and this is really important here, the section underneath. Join Clubcard, it's free and saves you money. You'll start saving straight away with exclusive Clubcard prices. So make sure that this option is checked. I'd like to join Clubcard today. If you already have a Clubcard here, you will select I'd like to link accounts, but you shouldn't select I'm not interested in joining Clubcard because you want to, get it. Now you will need to select your title here and provide them with your first, last name, phone number, and your address. And afterwards, here you can select the marketing preferences and just click on create account, and you will have successfully applied for a Tesco Clubcard. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.